The deadline is tomorrow, and your paper it's still blank. So you think, why not let ChatGPT do the right for me? That's the new pace of plagiarism today. Or should I say AI jurism? Back then, plagiarism was just copy and paste. But now, instead of doing your work yourself, you let AI handle everything. Type a prompt and ta-da! Instant paper. Sounds easy, right? Welcome to the world of AI jurism, a mix of artificial intelligence and plagiarism.
This is exactly one of the biggest problems for teachers today. They can always tell which part of students' work are original and which were AI generated. AI tools aren't just grammar checkers anymore. Well, as you can see, they can write essays, they can make presentations, and even generate images with just a click. And that's how AI jurism happens. Although AI detectors do exist. The real problem? They're unreliable, and sometimes they flag real students and miss the actual AI work. Now, let's explore the real challenge here. Challenge 1: Erosion of core skills. Over reliance on AI, students can lose their skills. When we let AI do the summarizing, the paraphrasing, and even thinking for us, we stop exercising our skills and start losing our critical thinking, writing, and analytical skills.
Challenge 2: Increased access to unauthorized materials. With unlimited access to information online, it's easier than ever to copy existing content without giving credit. This kind of act is a form of academic dishonesty and it hasn't gone away. It just got faster. With AI, it can now give you information from other unreliable sources without properly citing them. Challenge 3: Unreliable detection tools. There are also things we call AI text detectors. It detects if the work is AI generated, and these aren't always reliable. They often make mistakes, especially with non native English speakers, and they struggle to tell apart human writing from AI generated text. Researchers have been paying attention to this problem. Bittel and Elgayar in 2025 found that while AI can improve learning, it also creates risks like ghostwriting, so we need smarter tools, digital literacy, and updated policies. In a 2025 study, Musen and Kamas added that AI outputs often lack depth, and to address this, they built a detection model with 88% accuracy, while also stressing the need for clear guidelines and teacher training.
So, how do we solve these problems as students? When it comes to tackling plagiarism and over reliance on AI in big data, one key solution is learning how to properly select, evaluate, and annotate sources. By choosing credible and peer reviewed research for our references, we can build stronger and balanced arguments. It's not just about collecting information, but about reflecting on how our sources shape our writing. Another essential skill is summarizing and paraphrasing. Instead of copying text, we can use strategies like note taking to capture key points using our own words. This not only prevents patch writing, a form of plagiarism, but also helps expand our vocabulary and strengthens both writing and critical reading.
Next is developing a critical stance. Reading actively, asking questions, and noting down reactions allow us to analyze ideas rather than just accept them at face value. This builds independent thinking and make our work more original. Finally, clarifying concepts remind us that real understanding is more than just memorizing definitions. It's breaking down ideas, rephrasing them, and explaining them clearly. This process trains us to think deeper and communicate better.
Keep in mind that in the age of AI, the real challenge we're facing isn't just about plagiarism. It's keeping the skills that make us the real learners. Paraphrasing has helped us understand better. Summarizing trains us to focus, and clarifying concept builds true knowledge. If we let AI do everything, we're only cheating ourselves. That's why we should use AI as a guide and not a replacement. Because at the end of the day, the value of education isn't about AI can create, but how well we can think, write, and share your own ideas.